Umsolwa wesihlanu kuleli cala onguNthabiseng Nzama ucele ukuthi icala lihlehle njengoba umbuso ubungakaphenduli esicelweni esenziwe. UNzama kanye noTsakani Matlala bafaka isicelo ku-NPA sokuba kuhoxiswe icala lokukhwabanisa imali ababhekene nalo. Kuleli cala ke uNzama usolwa ngokuthumela imali kuma-akhawunti abasolwa ukuze kwenzeke ubugebengu nokufaka phakathi isigameko sokuzama ukubulala uTebogo Thobejane.
When we went through the representation, we realized that count 25 did not form part of the representation, and that was brought to the attention of the defence team for accused number 5. They then promptly rectified that and also added an additional representation on count 25.
Ummeli kaMatlala kanye nomngakhe usole umbuso ngokubambezela ukuqala kokuqulwa kwecala ngamabomu. Lokhu ke kuza njengoba kusenamaphepha umbuso osawagodlile.
We verily believe that we are deliberately being frustrated of finalising this pre-trial before your lordship and from getting this matter to go to trial by the conduct of the state. And please, I want to make it very clear so that everybody understands. I'm not pointing fingers.
Umbuso utshelwe ukuthi kumele uphendule abameli ngodaba lwamaphepha ngaphambi noma ngomhlazi 7 kuMbasa. Ukuqulwa kwecala kuzoqala ngoNtulikazi, kodwa abasolwa kulindeleke bebuyele ngoNhlaba enkantolo ukuze kuzophuma isinqumo ngesicelo sikaNzama nonkosikazi kaMatlala.